Hello everyone, my name is Melissa and I'm researching a contemporary issue, hydraulic fracturing, commonly known as fracking, and the impact it has on surface and groundwater quality. This controversial problem is now confronted by many countries owing to the cost-effective process of fracking, which enables countries to obtain cheap and reliable energy, underground gas. The fracking process is aggressive and turbulent and very wasteful, with research from NASA's Grey satellite showing a steep decline in the amount of water held in the world's largest aquifers. With the reliance on water for the fracking process requiring up to 30 million litres per well, this was outlined by Fontenot in his research. However, according to Rapier, fracking has been utilised since 1949, so what is the problem? Well, the main issues raised now refer to two main points. One, water, the contamination of ground and surface, the amount used in the operation, and the storage of wastewater from the fracking process. The second point is the aggressive action that has just recently been applied to horizontal wells, including vertical wells. Horizontal wells are the preferred way of obtaining underground gas. The problematic areas my research uncovered were the lack of facts and reliable sources surrounding Earth's water, including water tables and the exact amount of which is available. Another area of concern related to the reliable and unbiased investigations into contamination of groundwater and the removal or storage of that wastewater. An abundance of endorsed, reliable and authentic information was sourced in regards to the fracking process and the chemicals used and the amount of water consumed. Brings to three main environmental risks facing surface and groundwater quality. And they are contamination, wastewater storage and removal, and the amount of water used in the process. Number one, contamination. Occurs from a leaking gas well casings, creates new fractures in the shale lining which can result in seismic activity, blowouts from gas explosions, and toxins that are left in the well are absorbed into the ground. Sources vary in the amount of chemicals used in the fracking process. However, the basic breakdown is around 99% sand and water, and the other 1% are chemicals that include carcinogens. It has been found in several US counties water from streams located near gas wells are highly radioactive with high levels of metals, according to the EPA. Number two, wastewater storage and removal in the USA is not clearly defined by industry standards. This results in four practices being currently utilised: underground injection, treatment works, evaporation ponds, and land and application or road spreading. These processes outlined have not had the scrutiny of well-researched investigations. There is, however, a general consensus amongst scientists that the byproduct of fracking is toxic. Therefore, any of the above-mentioned forms of wastewater removal and storage will eventually contaminate soil, including ground and surface water. Number three, water used in the fracking process has been previously listed around 30 million litres per well. As our water is a finite resource and the sustainability of life on and for Earth is intrinsically reliant upon there being sufficient amount of water, it is imperative we limit the amount used, or alternative, find an energy solution requiring less clean water. The USSGA stated the amount of available water for human consumption is around 2.78% of the Earth's water. The issue of fracking and the effect on ground and surface water is relevant to the Australian curriculum from kindergarten to year 12. This investigation can be easily modified to facilitate discussion amongst students from all stages of education. I have outlined this inquiry for primary focus with particular attention to the sustainability of water. So, linking people to their insatiable need for energy and what effects it has on the environment, science as a human endeavour. Science understanding, water is the component of life and required by all living and growing things on this planet. Earth and the flow-on effect it has on the Earth's inhabitants. And science inquiry skills, communicating ideas and explanations. Thank you very much.